Today we are seeing the easiest way to get money on offered outlaws. And think of the game. What's just that? You can buy gold, but or the membership. But since I am not trying to spend money on the game, I go into single player, woodland, and free free map, free camera. And I drive over here. I do need to lower the dampening on this truck, but there's usually a box right over here. There's not one, but usually there's a box right here. Come over the hill. There's sometimes a box up here, about right in this area. I don't know why none of the boxes are responding for me today, but there's just a little box right here. Then you go down the hill, across the water. There's 99.9% of the time a box across the water. And this is also an easy way to get barn finds. If you have a uncompleted barn find in your garage, you can come over here or across the water. I just do like this. But you can come across the water, and there's a box right here 90% of the time. If you got a barn find, then it could be a money box or a parts box. And then there can be a box right in this area too, right in here somewhere. But then if you want, you can go over, one second, over here. I doubt there will be a box right now from me, but yeah, there is not a box here. There's usually a box over here. And it's the easiest to get to boxes that I know of right now. I haven't been looking for boxes that much, I just use them. But if that does not give you enough gold, I think it is in the submitting stage of the thing right now. So you cannot put a uh alright, so nothing. But yeah, so it is in the submitting stage of putting cards, but whenever it is not in the submitting stage, you can vote on 10 cards. So like for me, I'd have to vote for all 6 of these and then click on next page and vote. It don't matter what you click, but as long as you vote on them, it counts. So like there, and then if I rated all 6 and then these 4, I'd get 10 gold, I believe. But you can keep doing it and get a lot of gold, and that is the easiest way to get money on car parking multiplayer until a new money map is made. If so, then I will update.